Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Crafting Corner with the Washington County Public Library. My name is Miss Rhiannon and I'm here to teach you how to make felt puppets. This was so much fun to do and a really quick and fairly durable craft that you can extend playtimes and make reading picture books a little more enjoyable. So in your craft packet this week that you signed up for, you will have 2 large sheets of felt and some templates to cut out. This hand puppet template is a fairly large hand puppet, and it can fit up to, I'd say, a medium adult sized hand, and should be able to fit any child sized hand, just about. But adults with very large hands may have a hard time using these. But it should be perfect for most of our little learners to tell their own stories with. And we have some templates for a wide variety of different animals, and you can customize them to whatever you would like. I've created a bunny, a cute little yellow bunny, but you have the options to create a bear, a cat, a pig, and a dog, and a bunny. So I hope that you all enjoy and follow along with me as I do this tutorial. The only item you will need that's not included in the kit is some type of glue. I used hot glue, which I urge you all to please be careful if you are using it, because it does get quite hot and you don't want to burn yourself. But if you're careful and you take it slowly, you can end up with a really durable puppet that can be used over and over again. Elmer's glue or kids glue, school glue, is also doable, but it's not as durable. If you don't have hot glue, I would definitely recommend using something like tacky glue or fabric glue, or even hand sewing it together with a sewing machine, or hand sewing it can prolong the life and increase the durability of your hand puppet. All right, let's get started. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial on how to create a cute little puppet like this polar bear. I think he is so cute, and I'll definitely be using him in some story times coming up here soon. This is the final video in our fall 2021 Crafting Corner series and the last take-home packet for this year. Looking forward, we are going to be having winter reading, which I'm very excited for, and that will open up for pre-registration on the Beanstack app or on the Beanstack website here soon. And the actual event and challenge will open up December 3rd and be running through January 3rd. We are so excited for winter reading and so excited for what amazing things are coming in the new year with the Washington County Public Library. Thank you all so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!